School of Continuing Education at the American University in Cairo is so proud to present the 11th edition of the ILACE conference. We have added a new line of presentations and workshops for researchers to share the findings of their research. This is alongside the normal presentations for the practitioners and the language specialists. This edition features a larger number of presentations and workshops. We have 65 presentations, 38 workshops, 2 poster sessions, 9 sponsored sessions. We have 2 plenary speakers presenting their speeches and 2 plenary workshops as well. We have presenters coming from 6 different countries. We have attendees from 8 different countries alongside Egypt.
I spoke this morning on rubric design and use, and we thought about implications for research and for practice in terms of how to design rubrics and use them effectively for language assessment in the classroom setting.
I feel really happy. I feel really proud of what I see today, from the attendees, from of course the plenaries, the workshops, the presentations, from people coming from abroad to present. I think it was a really successful day.
I'm very happy with the way the first day has gone. We have excellent plenary speakers and the feature speaker, besides the workshops and poster sessions.
I have been lucky enough to participate in ILACE 2025, and I've met quite a few delegates, and everybody's really kind, very lovely. They've given a lot of really positive feedback about some of the things I've talked about, but also I've learned so much from talking to people here, because they have very diverse perspectives, they have very interesting opinions to share.
We're happy to have you today in ILACE 2025. We are now celebrating 11 years of ILACE. This year we are introducing the research track to the conference, and also this is the first year that we are going to have Conference Proceedings.
The International Language Assessment Conference in Egypt is growing and expanding. For the last 10 years, we've been focusing on the community of practice, and our growth this year starts with this community. So we have people representing their work in languages other than English. We have people representing their work in Arabic, even in Japanese, and other languages as well.
I'm here at the ILACE 2025 conference, where for 2 days, educators, assessment specialists, and experts really gather to deep dive into cutting-edge topics like holistic assessment, like inclusive assessment, and using AI for assessment purposes. Throughout the conference, we've had workshops and presentations that sparked new ideas, collaboration, and even discussions across different regions.
It's a great opportunity to be here. All the presenters, they were great and awesome. I do thank you, all the people here, and appreciate this.
The American University of Cairo was organizing this event that we're at the moment, the ILACE, which had a focus on research and assessment. And because assessment is extremely important for us this year in particular at the University of Cambridge, in Cambridge University Press and Assessment, it was a no-brainer to come here and to sponsor the event and be present, and to use this as an opportunity to reach as many teachers and decision makers in Egypt as possible to talk about our new products, in particular digital young learners and the English skills test.
I actually decided to attend the ILACE conference to learn about assessment and to interact with my colleagues from Egypt and all over the world.